So let's get into the Maker Collab. Tell us about it. Now, please. So your employee said he's the one that came up with it. Who came up with this? And can you tell us about what are the benefits of doing it?
Yeah, well, Nick is actually being honest. The Maker Collab competition was his idea. That all started back really close to when I started my business, actually. You know how you kind of find like your crew, like who you came up with?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Who you were learning how
to yahoos.
Right? So Nick was one of my yahoos. And he needed, so I don't know how he phrased it, but he needed my help.
Oh no, that wasn't in there. That wasn't in there.
I like that little throat clear at the end of that.
A lot of those in our meeting. No, we did a collab. It was just for fun. It was for Christmas gifts for his family. He needed some laser work, and like I said, this was at a time where lasers were not that common. Definitely not like they are now. And so he may have just been using me for my laser. But we did like a really corny, we always reference this video. We really need to share it again at some point because it's buried at this point. Well, we had like a 3.5 minute long video before reels were a thing. It was like an IGTV collab and helped each other with a project. And out of that, he had the idea, let's create an opportunity for other people to collab on a project. And we had no idea what we were doing. And we did it anyways. We just started. We started talking to companies, getting prize packages together, and forming this. At the time, it was a 3-month-long competition. This was
during COVID, right?
20 was our first year. And we encourage people to team up from anywhere in the world, find a partner. That's the key. Find a partner and make something cool within this theme. So yes, that's Nick's claim to fame that he came up with the Maker Collab original competition.
He did say that you were helping him with Christmas gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I just say, he needed me. He couldn't do it without me. So.
There you go.
Yeah.
So give us a little bit of a what's it about, and for the listeners out there, what are the benefits of joining it, and what do you offer?
Well, I want to tell you a little story before I get to that point.
Okay.
Because the Maker Collab was almost at the end of its life. Oh boy, summer of 22, which was not, so we had only done 3 competitions at that point. Actually, it was 2019 when we did our first one. I think. I don't know. I gotta go check the record.
I want to say it was before COVID. I think it was before COVID.
Because your second one was during COVID.
COVID's so stupid.
Yeah. It is.
Golly.
we all got our time frames by that though.
Yeah.
I think we had whatever. We had done 3 or 4 years of this competition. It was always just for fun. It was a passion project. It took a lot of our time. And as our businesses started to grow and focus on other things, it was like, I don't know if I can keep giving to this in the way that it needs to be given to be successful. So I had done a lot of thinking. And I called him up summer of 22, and I was just like, hey, listen, this is where I'm at. We either need to give this everything we got or take it out back and shoot it. That's what I said to him. And he was not on the same page as me. He really had no desire to hang it up, but he understood where I was coming from, and we took some time to think about it. And he told me that he'd be ready to go all in. And so I pitched him my idea. This is the side of the business that actually makes money.
Oh.
I don't know for sure. I've been told it makes money. I haven't paid myself yet.
I haven't seen for said money.
Yeah, so I pitched him the idea, like, I think we should make a website, and I think we should have like tie courses into the competition and keep the fun going year round. That was the goal, right? Like, how do we monetize something that's only a couple months out of the year? I mean, unless you're Coachella, you can't really do that. So, or Burning Man or whatever y'all can do. So while Nick's claim to fame is coming up with the idea for the competition, it was my idea to come up with the Maker Collab University, which is the only way we're staying alive. So the Maker Collab University is kind of the progression of the Maker Collab, and it's the online learning platform where we meet weekly on Zoom to do classes that are surrounding making stuff, any part of making stuff, whether it's woodworking or we're getting into metalworking coming up here soon. We've got leatherworking. But then we also teach on the business side of things, because we can all go to YouTube to learn how to do something. There's no denying that, but people come to the Maker Collab University to be part of a community. That's where you go if you want to connect with people. And I don't know about you guys, but as much as I love like the freedom and autonomy of being a business owner, sometimes it's just plain hard working alone all the time. Yeah. So the university is definitely there to serve people and to hope that they feel a little bit less alone, a little bit more capable, and if nothing else, build out their network to get help on stuff. So teaching things on making skills, maker skills, teaching things on business, and trying to get a little bit more going on helping people with content creation as well, marketing themselves.
That's awesome.
Nice. We put a link to Maker Collab University in the description of this, and SMC 50 checkout is what Nick gave us last week. So go down there if you're interested and do that. And then my question, after Jennifer gets somebody to do the question, and I'll do that after she gets hers in.
I just have a quick correction. Sorry, Jake. You said SMC 50, which is your Saturday morning show, but the coupon.
Don't listen to me.
CMP.
CMP 50.
CMP 50.
Yeah.
So anybody
50%
listening,
off.
if you want to go register for Maker Collab University, coupon.
I did mess that up pretty good, huh?
It was a good job, though.
I
thought I sounded professional. I wasn't playing around or anything, and I messed it up. Dang it.
That's awesome.